Horses.
There's horses?
Oh, okay.
They're coming this way. So we are here because our friend Alex just got a new drone. I don't know. Am I allowed to say your name?
You should have made code names, huh?
I don't have code names. What's your code name? I'm here with Rainbow Warrior, and Captain Rainbow is going to show us the new drone.
It changed every time?
Yeah, every time I told you. Yeah. What do you have? Mini?
Mini 2.
Mini 2. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. So Mini 2, we're going to play with that. I have the Mavic 2 Pro. Yeah.
Oh,
so.
yeah.
Super Mini.
The minute Pro.
It's not about size. I hate you guys. We have to watch for horse poop. Chatan!
Oh, yeah.
So small.
That's why I was asking about rain, because the SD card is just like that.
Yeah, none of them are rated for rain.
Even then, like, you just get a drop in there and that's it. That makes no sense.
Yeah.
Why didn't they put this cover just like all over that? That seems pretty stupid. Like, they got everything nice, but...
Should we compare size?
Remember me?
Hey, son.
That son you forgot about back in the 90s?
I paid your mom a lot of money, so you wouldn't say that. Oh, man. I think my battery weighs more than your drone. Seriously.
Yes, it does. By quite a bit. That is crazy.
Yeah.
That is crazy.
Feel that?
Oh man. Wow. What is this?
Now try that. That's cute though.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it says 4K on it, so it must be.
Can we do a piggyback?
I lift you up,
Yeah.
and then you say battery,
Thanks,
then both of them crash.
I don't have to do that. They just flippy floppy, like, you know what.
Do you use DJI Go 4? Up?
Oh, just the normal, whatever their app is.
This.
No, that's probably especially for you.
Ooh.
No?
This is DJI Go 4 or something like that.
DJI Fly app.
Oh, it's different application.
That's the one they told me to install.
Okay. Well, I would listen to them.
Yeah. It's interesting how the controller's bigger on mine.
Yeah, it is.
It's huge.
There goes my advantage.
Yep. You were talking about size? Yeah, the sound is cheaper. I'm sorry. I don't got 3D sound on these things. I'm sorry.
Oh, man.
You got the daddy sounds too.
Daddy mode.
Who's your daddy?
You are.
Yours is like, hi, Dad.
Home point has been updated. Please check it
Ah,
out.
there you go. The drone has the same sound.
You're not gonna launch it like that, are you?
I could.
Don't. Trust me.
Slap-o.
Okay, I'm ready.
Me too.
Don't forget to press record. Oh, it's cute! Where did you go? Do you know what the top speed of yours is?
No, I don't have the data. It can do okay, but I don't want to put it in sport mode.
I'm not going to. Yours is awesome, man. I love it. Is that a mosquito?
First time shooting over the water. Crazy stuff, man.
First and last?
Yep, first and last.
I lost it. Maybe this is a bad idea. I've seriously never had this problem before. Strong interference. Not good. Now it's okay. I think if the drones are close, we have problem. Let me go close to him again. I'm testing something.
I got signal, I'm okay.
His is overruling mine.
I've never caught it in the hand, so I don't know how it's gonna do.
You have to go like this. You have to, it thinks, but it can hurt you, so. Hold it down.
No!
Daddy, I'm not done playing.
But yeah, I got interference again, like after you left. So I think I did read somewhere that you should just change the channels. Is yours on default?
Mine's automatic. It'll change automatically.
Uh-oh. Daddy Hornet.
Okay, the daddy.
With the lower hum.
Where's your battery?
I'm about halfway through.
63.
Let's go high ground. Just to play it safe.
Let's do it. You try it. You cook?
Let's do it. They won't mind.
Ooh, that's dramatic.
Dramatic.
Oh, these things, same.
Yeah.
Oh, but you got two?
One's for exposure, and one's for camera. Up and down.
Up and down.
Yeah, if you do two remotes, one person can do camera side to side and up and down.
That's crazy.
Yeah. And then if one remote dies, the other one can take over. It's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Well thought.
Those Chinese designed it pretty well.
Pretty damn smart.
Smarter than you and I.
Ah, put together. So I was talking about that island, right?
Ah, that thing?
Yeah, right here.
Ah, I see.
No one's gonna interfere and you don't have
Oh, this
anything
one?
to... Yeah.
Oh,
You cook?
I see.
You got nothing to lose unless you drop your bag.
Right.
How far can you guys go with this thing?
This one's 7 kilometers. How about yours?
Yeah?
3.
3?
If you find our friend, no, not friend.
Your missing friend?
Oh, maybe that.
Is he diving?
No, we're doing a snorkel,
Uh-huh.
but we were supposed to come back around the fort together.
Uh-oh.
But then he might be that, but then.
I think that one is
スーさん、あれですかね?
Want me to look? Want me to look? Finally put this to use, nah?
Oh, yeah. That's a surfer.
That's the pole.
the pole. You go a little bit
Towards the right.
right. Yeah, that one. Can you go forward?
オレンジのフロートですよね。これだと思います。
あれだ。
イエーイ!
って向こうから
Ah, there he is.
Awesome.
Hi.
Yay! How far was that one?
300 meters.
Yeah.
300?
330.
Hi.
You're
Yeah. Weak signal again.
Weak signal. Changing to sub mode. Oh, that's a dude. He came back.
That's a workout, man.
Oh, it is.
I can't get out that way.
Yes, you can. We want to see you do it. He's like, no. Oh, who's the man now? But there's a. All right.
I'll race you to the clouds.
Today's special guest.
Ow, ow, ow. I didn't even know your last name.
The nickname.
Oh, SpongeBob Rainbow Pants.
Are you making fun of my drone?
No, how you handled it.
How you handled it. Snacko.
I love this thing, man.
So small.
Yeah. But your things just kind of go limp.
Yeah, that's how they're supposed to be. And then they just straighten out when it flies. It's interesting. So at first I was like, this can't be right. But that's how it is.
It's awesome.
I know, it's crazy.
Comes this way?
Yeah, it doesn't have enough. You're supposed to but it doesn't have enough. I can't get it.
Can I try?
Get grip. Yeah, yeah. There you go. Mr. Grip Man.
Small hands.
No, daily grip. Ooh, daily grip. And we're ready for liftoff. Trim it, trim it, trim it, trim it, trim it.
What are you doing?
I thought you wanted to trim. I almost forgot to record.
I've done that. 2 batteries worth.
That was good footage.
Yeah, I told him. I was like, man, I was following the speedboat. And then when I got back, I was like, no. Do you get car sick, Alex?
No. Yeah, let's see a jump. Jump in the bush. I think there's one after around the curve.
Okay. Coco?
Yeah, there.
Okay.
That's why there's cars parked.
I'm afraid of there being a ditch thing here, though.
There probably is. Just stay on the asphalt.
That's my plan.
Yep. Lock your car. A lot of.
I see it.
Yeah. So they say. I think it's only at night.
Oh, we'll let Alex go first.
Really? I'm like in flip-flops, yo.
Perfect.
Man up!
As you said, no, I won't go. I'm in flip-flops. And you tell me, man up.
Flight altitude reached.
So I'll meet you at Gala.
See you at Gala. Could you step away from me, sir? I get like this signal interference bursts.
Did you get it?
It slid off!
Did it cut you?
What?
Did it cut you?
No.
Oh.
It landed and then like it kind of drifted off.
the general of the rainbows said that he wanted to watch fireworks tonight. So
Yes, I do.
we're gonna go watch fireworks in American Village and yeah, try to record them.
Now take me there already.
Sir, yes, sir. You can't put subwoofers and play loud music if your car is being held up by tape. It's a rule. Whoa! Woo. We want you for the army.
Of course. Please pass from this side. Yeah, a little. So far, we're in the safe zone. Now, please follow my lead over here. Yes, right in here. The safe route.
Manny,
They came out as soon as I.
they can smell you.
Oh man, look at that.
There are many more people than I expected for this time of night. This is way too popular for us. Roast beef. If we were on a boat, I would feel okay launching it. Just on land, I don't want to. How about I? Nah.
Hitting people?
When Brian gets his drone, we can do it.
Yeah. That's Christmas, a month from now. See, it just says no skateboards in this area. It doesn't say no drone.
I thought it was no dog. Ooh, looks like Christmas. So warm. What? Marsardia. Yeah, I think I want to change. Instead of margarita, let's do the Hawaiian. Do you like pineapple on your pizza? Focus on that. We're waiting. Waiting for food and for fireworks. Hey, Rainbow Man.
Yeah, I'm not Rainbow Man.
What are you?
Rainballs.
Rainbows. So rainbows.
Yes.
How long of exposure? How long of shutter should I use? 5 seconds, you think? Longer than that?
To expose what? What are you exposing here? That's super close.
He grabbed my butt. Oh, snap.
See, I told you.
Not bad for a Nikon. Yeah, you did.
I told you, right?
You didn't even know what kind of exposure I was talking about. But
I was just checking. This is a public spot, so.
oh, thank you, soda.
Hey, lovebirds.
Thank you, soda.
Daddy's back.
Ooh, what do you got? And I dump them on the ground.
Oh.
What should we get?
Whew. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Okay. Is this for other restaurant? No?
No. Free spot.
You sure?
Yep.
All right.
You gotta trust your daddy.
This is a bad location though.
Just set the exposure to all or nothing.
I think that's a Sony setting. Nikon can't do all or nothing. Do you want it all or nothing? What song is that? Is that Backstreet Boys again?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
I'm getting tired of waiting.
Then don't wait.
Don't wait.
Background noise.
So what's your name right now?
My name has to change every time.
Rainbow Pizza?
Rainbow Pizza.
Rainbow Pizza was getting hungry.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, I think we're done for today. What do you think, Brian?
Yeah, yun to.
Yeah? Rainbow Pizza is done?
Not yet. I'm still eating.
All right. But
yeah.
I mean, done
Done as in
shooting.
shooting. Yeah. We can call it a day. See you on the next rainbow. Good closing line right there.
We did a pot of gold with rainbow. With a leprechaun at the end. So, what do you do to the pizza?
Sandwich.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So we have to go to Japan to learn how to eat pizza from a foreigner.
Yeah. You have to do like this.
Yep. And then when you take it out, yeah, you got to be sure it's cut there first.
Okay.
And then the trick is to not lose its content. Yeah, you think that's a lot? Try. If you can beat me, oh, now you cheated. You can't do that. You cannot cheat like that.
Are we being competitive?
In Italy, if you do that, you get spanked from grandma.
How many times have you been to Italy?
I was born very close to Italy. Much closer than you.
Okay.
So you've been to Italy a lot?
Yeah, like
Okay. I thought you were about to say none,
like
but
a few times.
I've never been.
Well, there you go. I can tell from the way you eat pizza.